How to follow or unfollow channels on WhatsApp. Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to use WhatsApp channels. WhatsApp channels are a broadcast tool for admins to send text, photos, videos, and polls to their followers. First, check if you have the latest version of this app. If the Open button is displayed, you have the updated version. Now, find WhatsApp and open it. The new version of this app contains a new tab, Updates. Click on it. On the screen, suggested channels are displayed. Scroll to the right to view a few more suggested channels. If you want to open and view the content of a channel, simply click on its picture. You can scroll up and view the content. If you have decided to follow the channel, click the Follow button. To receive notifications, click on the bell icon. You can share the channel by clicking on the three dots and selecting the Share option. Choose the platform you want to send it through and the channel will be sent as a message. I will now return to the channel to show you how to unfollow it. Click on the three dots again. Choose Unfollow. Confirm your choice. What I'm going to show you now can be useful. How to find the desired channel. Take a step back. Click on the Find Channels button. Recommended channels are displayed again. You can search by clicking on the search icon and entering the desired term in the search field. For example, I will type FCBAR. A channel containing the searched term will appear. Click on the plus sign to follow it. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.